we've done a lot of work on this campus, and it's just been great. It really has. We've had 2 large projects and 3 smaller projects that we have to win still competitively with other general contractors. But I think our relationship and our track record has really played well for us and given us 2 very sizable buildings that have just worked out great. So I really appreciate the relationship.
What type of skills would you think a student would need to work on that type of project?
Well, one, they need the technical know-how. I can't discount the work ethic. It's never been an 8 to 5 job. I don't think it'll ever will be. It's 10, 12 hours a day on a daily basis. Sometimes it's less and sometimes it's more, but it really is a hard-working field.
Now, my understanding, Tom, is that you all used the CM at risk delivery method to build these 2 projects that you worked on. Is that true?
Yes, it is true.
Could you tell us a little bit about the CM at risk delivery methods?
So in lieu of doing what's called a design build, where the owner hires the design team, the design team designs the building completely and then sends it out to bid with several contractors. This is a little different, where the owner hires an architect and a general contractor at the same time. The general contractor at that time only bids the management portion of the work, what it takes to manage the project, both material-wise and manager, labor-wise. The owner has somebody on their side managing the construction rather than an adversary, so it cuts down significantly on change orders, on conflicts, and it really is just a better way to build a building.
What type of educational background would be required in that circumstance?
So typically we hire 4-year university students that are either engineers or they come from a construction management program. But that's not the case at all, 100% of the time. We'll hire people out of your program that may have a degree in something else or no degree at all. And if they're really a top performer, we'll educate them as well.
So Tom, you've made some really good points today, and I just want to tie them back to what we do here at California State University, Dominguez Hills, in our construction management program. So we do, from bidding to scheduling to plan reading and estimating and several other classes, but we culminate all those classes. And so we take all the different skills that the students have learned over the course of the program, and we kind of put them into practical use. And so, we have an interview panel, which you were a part of. As a panel member, what did you think about what we do with that mock RFP?
I thought that was very impressive. That's exactly what we do for us as a business. Putting together a bid, a site plan, a full estimate of the job, a write-up of exactly why they should be selected. That's just incredible training.
We really appreciate having you here though, Tom. And is there anything else that you would like to say to encourage students in regards to our program? And then maybe even getting into the construction industry in general?
I would say that it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what stage of life you're in. We want people who are pretty bright and hardworking and want to learn and want to succeed.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, Tom. And that concludes our discussion with Tom Jones from CW Driver. And we hope the students were encouraged by this topic. Have a great day.